I just want to show an example that how we can move our keyboard up and down so that our view should not hide behind the keyboard. So it's very important and sometimes very difficult to gain this, but I'm showing you example in this fifth that how we can achieve this. And I know you can probably adjust this according to your requirement, but I'm just want to show you that how we can do this. So what you can do is, first of all, you need to do a few things you need to remember whenever you're creating your login view. Something I'm giving example of login view. So whenever you create your view, this is our basic default view. So you need to start the uh, the auto layout kind of thing from the bottom. Suppose that right now I'm clicking on this, and so always try to make this from the bottom. So this is your prototype of your table view, and just bind this with the bottom, and make sure that you start from the bottom and then start from the first thing. Okay, so this is how this is the trick that going to work with this. The second point that I would like to tell you that is very important, that is this. The underlying keyboard is one of the example or cocoa board available for us that we can use. That, as you see, whenever you clicking on this, we are moving upwards the view. Okay, so let's go to the repository that is mentioned here and just download the file that is required file, and that file is very nice. I must say that you can download that pretty good piece of thing. Here is example defined. What you need to do is you just need to download this file. It's very simple to download this file and integrate with your file, and after that you just need to paste all these code inside your Xcode, or your project. So you need to remember that you need to plug this, or you need to set the outlet of this line from your Xcode. So whenever you're making your source code changes, you need to make sure that you are making the changes on this. So please make sure that you are using this bottom constraints as your outlet, so that so the rest of the work will be done by the library that we are using. Okay, so it's very simple. So what I was saying that okay, so it's very simple. So I go to my source code here, and I just want to show my source code, that what I have done here. As you can see, this is complete source code. Okay, moving upwards, I did the same thing that is set by the Cocoa Pod library, and what I'm doing is I'm using this underlying constraints here, and I'm making sure that I am having the outlet of the bottom, and just the same thing that I have done there. That's it. That's what we need to do, and it's going to be very smooth and very fine with us. So it's very nice. So go ahead and do this. It's very simple. Thanks.